To use a One4All card online, start by making sure you have the card details and the website you want to make a purchase from. Accepts One4All gift cards. Check the website's payment options before proceeding. First, select the items you wish to purchase and proceed to the checkout page. Look for the gift card or voucher option and select it as your payment method. You will then be prompted to enter your One4All card details, which include the card number, expiry date, and security code. The card number is the 16-digit number on the front of the card. The expiry date is the month and year the card expires. And the security code is the 3-digit code on the back of the card. Enter these details carefully to avoid any errors. Once you have entered your card details, you will be asked to confirm the amount you wish to spend. Make sure this amount is not greater than the balance on your One4All card. If it is, you will need to use an alternative payment method to cover the remaining amount. After confirming the amount, review your order and payment details to ensure everything is correct. If you are happy with the details, confirm the payment and complete the transaction. It is essential to keep your One4All card details secure to avoid any unauthorized transactions. Make sure to only use your card on trusted websites and never share your card details with anyone. If you encounter any issues while using your One4All card online, contact the website's customer support or the One4All customer service team for assistance. They will be able to help you resolve any problems and complete your transaction. By following these steps and taking the necessary precautions, you can easily use your One4All card online and enjoy shopping with your gift card. Remember to always check the balance on your card before making a purchase and to use your card on trusted websites to ensure a secure and successful transaction.